Tails mo, pogi. Pogi. Tails. Wala na may sugod.
Okay,
Dili, bawal.
kamu sila wala dire.
Dili sir, pogi, sir, pogi.
So ikaw ang last motorya.
Oh, sir.
Ikaw last motorya na.
Yes, sir. Lunch, sir, lunch. Ikay last.
Balik pa ba?
Dili na. Dili. Muna ni last. Sige. Ikay last para sa inyo. Zay last para sa tanan. Ikay last para diri nga line. Zay last para sa tanan.
Okay, ganun sa natay observer dire. Ako gi-invite.
Ay, sir.
Ada ka?
Ari, sir. Wala lang, sir. So, unang grupo na babanat, mga pogi, start now!
So, good morning everyone. Good morning, sir. So before we start our topic, or I want you to check sa environment or sa society, sa economy, nga ang nag-run sa business mostly is the diesel engine. And as you can see, kung na-observe niyo is a food stocking resources dyan store sa mga shop or sa store na Amy, steel and concrete buildings at the town, sa medical supplies, nga sa hospitals, appliances, electronics, and other vital cargoes has been transported through vessel or any kind of vehicle that uses diesel engine. So as a primitive of the diesel engine, so I'm going to we advocate the diesel engine because diesel engine is the backbone of the global civilization, and it has a supreme entry negotiable pillars, which is the unmatched thermal efficiency and global work capacity, and lastly is the modern environmental adaptability. So first, I'm going to talk about about the thermal efficiency of the diesel engine, and then diesel engine has 15%. Since diesel engine uses diesel fuel, 15% more energy per gallon than gasoline. And then diesel operates in high compression ignition. Compared to gasoline gasoline wastes up 75% of its fuel as heat, and diesel gets more work done out of a single drop. So, in other words, ang diesel maka-create siya of work by a single drop. And then, ang naka-advantage ko sa diesel is that even though low ERPM, but it has a higher power, which is good siya for like continuous and heavy workloads. And then next is about sa iyahang torque and heavy utility. So, like I said kanina, ang high-speed engines are beautiful light acceleration, whereas heavy industry runs at low time torque. So, in other words, ang gasoline ay dili siya makakaya.
Time is up. 1 minute break for pogi. Seconds ba? Kalma. Relax. Ang susunod na banat, mga gwapo, start right now.
Okay, good morning. So, according to Mr. Yu, according to their group, the diesel engine is more efficient and more important in our economy. Now, for our group, we argue that claim because we're not just in here in our program. We're not just talking about economy, but we are talking about the efficacy of our systems and engines. So, for your claim that diesel engine runs the global civilization, yes, I agree with that. However, global civilization will not work without also the gasoline engine. Why? Because with the presence of our gasoline engine, we cannot do transportation. And then you also mentioned that the environmental adaptability. No, because according to the European Environmental Agency of the IMO, the diesel engine compared to the gasoline engine, diesel engine emits more particulate pollution or more particulate matter compared to the gasoline engine, which in fact the particulate matter is more harmful to the human health. And also the third one that you have mentioned is it has a high compression ignition. So that's the problem in there, because according to the Yamaha Marine in Japan, the diesel engine uses a heavy duty components, and by that it promotes a additional weight to our vessel, and for that it could influence the safety of our crews, especially our marine engineering, because one of the aspects that were taught to us is safety first, and the more the weight sa atong vessel, it could affect or it could influence the maneuverability and also the operation of our vessel. And also, you have also mentioned the torque or the torque that could be produced by your engine. So, for your information, Mr. Yu, the gasoline engine could also attain that torque, the level of torque that your engine could do by means of the converting the power generated by the gasoline engine into the speed, and from the speed it could transform our speed into the torque that you are attaining, the torque that the diesel engine could attain by the use of the reduction gear. And then, so if we could contrast the two, it is more efficient, or it is more
Thank you. Guapo, time's up. 1 minute break for Pogi and Guapo. Pangalawang banat. Wait. Pangalawang banat. Sa Pogi. Dilemma starts right now.
So as stated earlier, was that he said that we cannot do transportation and fuel consumption, especially. Then, if the fuel consumption, so we were using reduction gear. So reduction gear is equals to more cost or higher cost. And also about the health, Well, modern diesel has changed completely because in the 1957, selective catalytic reduction uses advanced filter which eliminates 95% of nitrogen oxide that converts harmless and water vapor. Then also, in high fuel efficiency, less fuel may consume in less fuel than gasoline engines use less fuel. So high fuel efficiency, less fuel of diesel engines than gasoline engines use the same work, and also meaning they are more economically over long distances. And also on my claims and in the reliable for higher duty for diesel engines. So diesel engines performs well with heavy loads and are widely used in transportation. So marine vessels and power generations are more reliable in diesels. 1 minute. So another claim. So diesel engine is built for massive structural integrity. So it runs 500,000 to over 1,000,000 miles, durable, double or triple the lifespan of gasoline engine. So, gasoline engine wear out after 150,000 miles. And also, in terms of strong torque output, diesel engine produce high torque at low engine speeds, so making it ideal for trucks, buses, constructions, and also for heavy-duty machineries. That's all.
30 seconds.
Sige po.
Sabi mo, continue ka?
Ayun lang dito.
Okay na? Sabi sir, nagpipinto nila ng 30 seconds, sir. Ginainan na ito. Sige niya, ito kayo. Ang ganyan, pasin ba siya may bawa? Kailangan na ba? Sa to? Ako sir. Oo. Okay na ito, Ivan, sir.
Sayangan ba tayo ba? Kasi may nga ako kasi siguro na si Kuba.
Pero kanina, sir, okay, sir.
Oo, kaya sa pulan.
Sige.
Diba nakita ba?
1 minute break. 1 minute break. Kabilang side ng mga poke, mag-ingay muna, pag-relax. Wala na. Wala sila. Okay. So, kung naman ba natin mula sa mga gwapo, start right now.
Sa claim ni Mr. Lima, ilang claim is passage karayo. Ilang mention is for higher vessels than lower vessels. So, naman sa smaller vessels, ang ipangita is speed and maneuverability. So, they have also si gasoline engines. Makahatag siya o higher RPM o mas faster siya. So, i-mention siya nga diesel engines mo produce of more torque. Pero kung tanan, dili man tanan vehicles need of ako motor literal dito sa boat din motor. Kaya katong mga smaller boats like speedboats, rescue boats, fisher boats, hindi nila nito ako motor dito nila speed o dito nila speed and acceleration. So they have a sophisticated engine. And minsan niya ganyan ang advanced filter. Naging pan sa diesel engines. Pero ang advanced filter na reduce na siya sa mga particulate matter or mga separation. Pero hindi niya ma-eliminate. So nag-cause siya o pollution sa mga epekto natin sa ganyan. And also, tamang claim, advantage po sa gasoline engines is cheaper siya and easy to maintain. Gasoline engine, parts siya mga components like spark plugs, air filters, is widely available sa lasa, so mas dali siya ma-repair kuhan maintenance. And also, iya mga parts is cheap rack, so dili madakan, so good choice siya sa mga tao or sa mga small businesses. Good choice siya para dili sila madakan, cheap rack iya mga rack and mission components.
40 seconds.
So, and ang gasoline engines is mas easy siya to warm up. Madali siya warm up kunay cold weather. Kaya ang diesel engines, gasoline engines easy to warm up. Ang diesel engines need pa external forces para warm up. Well, diesel engines dali na siya warm. Ang gasoline engines dali na warm up. So ideal siya. So mas cover ang gasoline engines para sa for many people small businesses kaya affordable siya.
Okay, stop. Your time is up. 1 minute break. Lunch break. Sa mga pogi. Pacheco!
So, good morning everyone.
Pacheco, yung nakinig ko yung istorya ba? Babuhan, hindi siya Pacheco.
So, good morning everyone. Of course, we need to be one-sided because we need to defend our team as we are defending the diesel engine. So, this battle is not about what are your advantages and what our advantages also, but it is the battle of what is more significant or important in this world or society. So they are the council for the gasoline engine is uttering some statement about transportation. So the reality is, if the world replaced every gasoline engine, the passenger commutes would just get slower. But if you eliminate the diesel engine, the global supply chains and the
heavy machineries, agriculture, construction, and power grids would collapse. That therefore our economy will also collapse because the diesel supplies the global chains, and it would definitely lead to the collapse of the economy because look at the environment right now. Every infrastructure and every tall buildings are being carried or transported by the diesel engines vehicles. Therefore, the diesel engines moves and shape the world, while the gasoline engines only move people. So aside from that, they're also referring to the harmful gases. It is not just the diesel engines are emitting harmful gases or toxic substance. It is the primary factor that are emitting harmful gases is the factories. They're emitting harmful gases into the air, devastating our Mother Earth, that leads into many phenomena like El Nino and La Nina that we are experiencing right now. But my question is,
Pachicho, your time's up.
the gasoline engines are allegedly cleaner. Why does a gasoline engine release 15 to 25% more carbon dioxide per mile than a regular gasoline
Additional time. Minute break.
So, good morning everyone. So, sa part sa Pacheco is they're claiming na kung sa kunoy kanang mas importante sa ito ang kalimutan ko, no? Kanang diesel engine daw ko, no? Kay mga to ilang claim nga ilang gingon nga kanang mas naadaw kung naikuan nga gamay nga carbon dioxide ang katong makuha, which is maka less ko, no? Nabagoy ka ng study na nag-back up na so kami is so according to International Detection Agency, so naa siya ka ng kuan ko nung mag-produce siya nitrogen oxide nga when we know according our kuan nito nitrogen oxide is makakos siya og kuan sa to ang health, which is kanang maka higher risk sa ato sa human. So mo produce siya 2.8 tons of nitrogen oxide, according to our research in Environmental Protection Agency. So since limited annual hours naman ang gasoline engine, so it means less harmful siya kumpara sa diesel engine in terms of sa waste. So also, niaras pa check ko ganina nga kanang diesel engine ko mawala atong kuan. So we are not claiming nga wala ng diesel engine. So the point here is kanang gasoline engine is kanang atong i-argue kung asa mo ang side. So kung moingon ta nga kuan, we all know that kanang in short, would you choose the more efficient fuel if it would cost most of your kuan inyong profit? Like in our world, di ba, ang nagpadagan sa atong kalibutan is more mga businessman man or businesswoman. So kung business, dili tanan pud businessman nga kuan na mga dagko. So naapoy mga gagmay. So would you choose nga much kanang higher nga kanang cost niya mas magdugay kuno if ang imuhang kanang kaya nga ipagawas ng kwarta is dili na nimo maabot? So ari na musod ang quote nga never settle for worse, di ba? Muna ilang permit na namin mabatihan, but in business, success isn't about choosing the most expensive or the most powerful option. Rather, it's about choosing the one that gives the best balance of cost and performance. Sometimes the smarter choice isn't about the best on paper. It's the one that keeps your business nga maka-profitable nga kung ka na kung kayo ba. Bilang kayo oras din? That's all.
Ang ganda ng depende.
Broken yard.
Lagi 1% tayo mga negosyo ha. 1% share lang. Ayaw may kalimutan. Comment ba?
Time. Your time is
You don't have to go.
Okay na. So 3 minutes for Pogi. Take it for your defense. Your attack starts
So, good
now.
morning. As for question of prominence sa kanina, kung nabang may sources na ipakita o patunay sa pag-ibig kanina, na may sources dire. Na may sources na research para makapatunayan na paano to, tunay. First is, the information point, the industrial market research, then automotive industry benchmarks or OEM service bulletins, then regulatory core records and core thermodynamic and mechanical principles. Muna ang mga sources ng patunay nga katong mga statement na mogingon is tunay. And also gani naging pa na atong paspas gani tanang kanang representative that more or less kanang representative for words kung ganahan ng paspas na instances na hindi mali ba or mga mistakes kay nagdali man nagdali then dalihan naging consignation na gasoline are cheaper to buy and maintain. Then the gasoline is lower intake cost and higher total cost. And higher fuel efficiency and shorter engine lifespan. Then the gasoline engine costs a more operates one lifetime additioning the diesel engine and the diesel. The diesel design is as good as the investment. Then, di ba, nag-i-consider mo ito ganyan ako na more paninin ang asset, kung na yun ang asset is can be called an investment. Asya, worth it na ang diesel, kung mag-invest ka sa diesel, since ang diesel, dugay man mahurot, then ang yung engine kay dugay maguba. So, kung mo-invest ka sa diesel, it can be considered a lifetime investment. So, naka-income over time. Then, in terms of speed, it is useless without towing power. Okay?
It is useless if wala kang time, so 1 minute break. Start now. Okay, lunch break is up. Panghuling banat. Salamat sa mga tax. Dependent, manglingwag. Ang banat mo ay magsisimula bukas, pero ngayon. Start!
Mention sila investments ang diesel engines. So I have here 2011 Coast Guard bolting accident reporting case. So sa gasoline engine na sa 2,750,000 vessels na nasa US coast. Then sa diesel engine na sa 241,000. Sa gasoline engine ay 4,000 kapin, 4,237 accidents, while sa diesel engine 389, mas gamay ang diesel engine. But, imong i-factor ang percentage accident. Since daghan kayo ang gasoline engine na nasa US coast, kung imong i-convert into percentage, nalang siya 0.0333%, which is every 3,000 volts usa ang ma-discharge siya. While sa diesel engine, every 622 volts usa ang discharge siya, which is 0.1608%, which is 4.8 times more sa which is 4.8 times more kaysa sa gasoline engine. So, sa inyong gaining investment is atong kinahanglan i-factor out ang ownership cost, which is ang price sa engine, ang pag-installment, ang fuel, maintenance, repairs, and downtime. So, ngayon po, ang fuel is advantage niyo since mas cheaper man ang fuel, but ang cost sa engine, which is very higher, installation higher, maintenance higher, repairs higher, and downtime, siyempre mas taas ang kinahanglan na i-meet sa working hours para mababaw ang inyong capital. Which is, di ako factor ang statistics ng gihatag. If kinahanglan yung work, taas ang working hours para mabawi yung capital, then ang nakabutang sa statistics is ang diesel engine is more likely to have an accident. Kung saan yung pagbawi sa inyong investment, if mas dako ang statistics na makita na more probable na ma-discuss siya ang diesel engine compared sa gasoline engine based sa statistics na ang gihatag. So, nakuha lang proposition which is gasoline engine is superior sa power to weight ratio. So nakoy duha ka engines nga natin, Yamaha XTO offshore and OXE 300. Almost the same weight diesel engine which is 440 kg while ang gasoline engine 437 kg. Ang na-produce sa diesel engine which is 300 horsepower while sa gasoline engine 450 horsepower. That is 1.03 horsepower per kilogram sa gasoline engine while sa diesel engine 0.68 horsepower. So, ang conclusion is, a marine engineer does not ask whether hazard exists while sa tanong accidents. Ask whether the system controls it.
Continue.
Since gasoline fuel is lower flash point which is mas highly mo ignite compared sa diesel fuel, dili na tayo count na mas better na ang diesel engine because it crash points does not eliminate hazard. Na-identify ra nga natay risk na pwedeng makahinabo if gamito na to ang gasoline engine. But ang question is, as a marine engineer, we do not ask whether hazard exists. Ang atong dapat mangutana is whether or not ang atong engine naggamit is makakontrol ba, which is nag-proven sa mga statistics na gihatag makontrol yun sa gasoline engine ang hazard, which is lower accidents.
Thank you.
Sir, last one, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Last.
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute?
1 minute? 1 minute.
Pagkanda pala yung mga lawyer. So, sunod ba, mag-trash talk na ka ng good na trash talk ba? May nota ka. Sa galing mo, nagkamali ka dito. Ay, doon pa naman kita, pero ngayon hindi na. Mga bad words ba?
Nandito na sana na yung mga
Asik na.
Look 5 of 6, ugma. Pakanda mo mga good nga trash talk.
Isipan na ni Manny.
ano naman, natin na drills. Teka, gusto ko nung buwan, dalsa ni.
Kali ko 5 minutes. Ay, pwede rin ma-consume. Pwede rin ma-consume. Pero i-open tayo, 5 minutes na ako ba?
Time's up. So break. Grabe naman ng mga lawyer at businessman. Wala pa. So attorney you, your time starts now.
So kaganina, so first nga rebate si Wise, so he states again na we cannot do transportation. So what does this mean nga? We cannot do transportation. There are some trucks biya or vehicles nga nagamit biya po o kaning diesel, hindi makay gasoline ra. And the next is, ang kaganina is i-focus kay ni Ronwayne na nila is about the expense. Discuss sila more on expense. So, expensive or higher cost. So, even though expensive siya, that doesn't mean nga, tungkol expensive siya, di ka kabawi. Okay, expense, ang ka na siya yung gasto, worth it na siya yung gasto, it's because it's your asset. Pwede ka mag-invest na makagain ka income. And then, diesel engine is, taas si Jacques Ford kaganina, katong giingon ni Russell nga according sa Society of Automotive Engineers, International Heavy Duty Technicals, state sila nga it runs 500,000 over 1 million miles, double triple the lifespan of gasoline engine. So, in other words nga, ang diesel engine is taas yung lifespan compared to gasoline. And then, if ato buto na naon, yes, expensive ang diesel engine, pero in the long run, dako pagka mag-income. I know nga, ang inyo gikon kaganina is more on expenses, pero and then Kinawasan nila. Maka expensive siya pero maka suday. Alam mo kung Kaya 5 minutes Mr. No?
Sagad sa imo.
Siya nga boss. And then Pelain.
Yes, dapat manawa.
Sa.
Yes, dapat.
And then lain na po din ang about sa katading ang hisgot ni Lance nga about sa accident. Ang mistake ka about accident pero wala kay reference kung sa cause accident. It could be ang possibility ko sa accident is could be human error. Okay, so wala kay specify ang sa cause. Ay mo na dito ang isang rate o kung sa kadaganon ang cause sa kanang accident. And then last is the flaws. The flaws of diesel engine and accident shown does not weight compared to its advantage it can give, which contributes the world. So before na ko end is na ko question can the gasoline council cite a single commercial heavy duty industry, whether deep sea maritime, shipping, freight rail, mining, or heavy construction that relies on gasoline engine?
Ay, nakatuwa.
Wala na extension, sir. Wala na extension.
Malapit ang G. Tubagon ko na mo.
Okay, natubag naman to ganito.
Okay, tubag mo.
Natubag na to namin, sir. Okay.
Atornillo. You have asked for extension?
Mo ko din disadvantage sa gan kay mga na-research na kay. Wala na ko asang tanawa. Maglibog na. Wala na bating ilo na nabasa. Explain one.
Okay na? Thank you for your time. Comment, sir. Comment. Comment. Kung sa tao ba? Katukan ba? Ako? For mo nga?
Okay,
Wala man, sir. Positive man kayo lang tanan.
bagyo na halos. Pag negative ka, dumutan ka gawas. Okay na positive comment ang
Dili ako, sir. Si Kuan na, sir. Si Puso.
puso naman puso ko.
The jury will ask Puso for your wonderful comment.
Sa iyong masunod sa inyo, sir.
Discussion lawan sa is sana sila sa sila yung sa statistic niya gatan din na po ay mga sakto na rebatan pareha na kanang mingon na dito na hazard mas kabog hazard igual pero wasya kayo kung sa ba yun human error ba or tungkol sa gasoline so muto nindot dito na rebat so mara tatanan so good sir para sa ako murag mas may kanang one diesel.
Thank you, Mr. Puso.
Okay, gani ha atong group 1, group 2 namin ko atong kinalasan diri. Later, atong kinalasan diri giribat ang iyang katapan. 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4 na topic, sumaro na nakasulti. Kaya kasi magamit sa kwan, may dahil nga, ingong to sir gapon nga kwan. So sa first stroke, ano na, gamit to first stroke, two stroke ba? So, ugma na, ang last na to, kung nga debate, kung be tomorrow ba yung schedule? Sa oras? Jess? Awan na naman ano? 1 hour. So, Group 5 and Group 6, makita na to ang pag medyo nakaibaw naman mo sa akong ginadagan. So, advantage yun sa 5 Group 6, dapat lang may bitong ilang battle tomorrow.
Trash talk mga sir. Trash talk. Trash talk.
Good na trash talk, pwede kayo. Labi na ako pa, ibabay ko sa ano? Pitik yung babay, gusto ko niya. Abot lang yung kanya na. Kami mga babay mga gusto ko yung motila eh. Ha? Alain na na. Storya ba? Storya. Ibukin ang storya. Sir, pero ay nag-pressure na. Kumusta lang ba din mong kuhan mo?
Usay. Mamaya tos kung
Kunya kay punan sila additional na gabi. Mas mupaga na po dahil lang reason.
Luyer na gyapon, luyer.
5 minutes na lang, sir.
Ha? 5 minutes ba? Nila umangin sila.
Mga yun sa tag-conclusion sa judge ba?
Ha?
Mga yun sa
Ikaw man ang judge sir.
Okay, judge sir, guilty or not?
Okay, sa kaning debate man gud wala man tayo daog ani. Because kana tanan gigamit na sa shipping. So tanan na lang nato ugma kinsa gyud ang mas muangat, four stroke ba or four stroke.
Kasi
Ayaw, kaya kung diesel o gasolin.
Kinsa gyud mas muangat ugma. And then explain na ko later sa kay syempre wa mo experience sa shipping. So ang inyo ra gyud nga ma-debate karon is kung sa ra yung ma-research sa inyo. Ugma, ug dapat time or in Thursday, na tayo 1 hour Thursday siguro, di ba? Or Thursday, o di madaog ma. So, makita ninyo kung unsa jud ang sa shipping pod nga side. Unsa advantage sa kanang usa. Ano sa kanan gigamit sa shipping. Okay? So, wala ko kabati kayo pero mag-mention siguro wala jud kabati kaya na pagbibisita. Sa mas mahal ang diesel nga fuel o gasoline.
Yes, sir.
Na-mention ba?
Hindi, na-mention.
Kaya walang bakit, may business, negosyo.
Pero wala na-mention sa gasolin sir, mas mahal ang diesel. Wala yung gasolin.
Wala ang tamo, mahal eh. Tapos palit ito gawas.
Balik.
Kung sa pila ang diesel ka mo, tawa.
Barato ang diesel bro sir.
Ha?
Hindi, mahal sir. Mahal ang diesel, tapos kape.
Sa una, ang barato niyo sa gasolin. Karon kayo, balik na. Okay, so see you tomorrow na lang. Continue sa tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Grabe, at ang mga chito ay simple course. Those 3 years.
Oh, kaso ko din wala sa ako. Kanang kaso wakat may kanang kaso. Likod. Pwede din mag likod. Down. Pwede ni magi ito. Sa down. Kanang kuan ba? Kanang asa? Dili mo kumakan kan? Ari ba? Sa dili. Order na.
Ayan, yan. Ano to? Likod bagi kay Dor.
Suway kas likod. Muli ko niya, mahapit ko magpalit mo kung kuan ito. Sudan.
Na, ano ba ba? Ayaw dito. Yan, boss. Ayaw na.
Kasi pagkitaan.
Ha?
Kasi pagkitaan.
Wala na, mau pala pala. Sabi ko lang yan, may nang mga nagsato. May nang kuan, ito trabaho din is construction. Okay yan no. May section? Alpha?
Yes, sir.
Nanas, palungan rin?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Two-stroke na ako. Dili, sa mga fuel, sir. Sa electronic power, sir. Two-stroke daw po. Oy, wala yun na. Gas kasi yung gasolin. Kaya na itong two-stroke versus four-stroke natin. Ano eh? Two-stroke. Ang four-stroke. Sir, four-stroke mo. Na may bagong import, asa na natin butang? Sa two-stroke, sa four-stroke? Sir, fix na na sir. Dito man sir. Fix na na sir. So, sir, tulo-tulo man yung mapin sir, tulo-pat na. Okay, di ba? Sir, i-grouping sa mga nimo sir. Oh, group 6 na lang sir. Apple, group 6 sir. Wala sir, wala sir. Grouping na daan. Oh. Okay sir. Asa ka sa kuwan? Si Charlie sir sa yung pulihan sa ating kasulibuan. Kasulit ka ako. Namudumit ko. Sige, group 1 una. Moderator from group 5 and group 6. Moderator and timekeeper.